Rivers State Governor Wike has ordered Local Government Area Chairmen to destroy all identified illegal crude oil bunkering and artisanal refinery sites in their areas. He compelled the chairman to hire bulldozers and other required equipment to carry out the operation. The governor also asked the Rivers State Commissioner of Police Compol Eboka Friday to provide adequate security for the local government area chairmen as they embark on the mass destruction of illegal refinery sites across the state. Governor Wike gave the order on Wednesday during a meeting with the 23 local government area chairmen, the State Commissioner of Police, and the Commandant of the Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps at the Government House, Port Harcourt. It will be recalled that on Friday, January 14, 2022, Governor Wike had issued a 48-hour ultimatum to the 23 local government area chairmen to provide him with a comprehensive list of all illegal refinery sites and their operators.
Whether federal government is interested to support us or not is immaterial. We cannot fold our arms and say, let it be. And then we are dying every minute and people are running away from the environment. You paint a house today, the next 2 hours, it has taken a different color, But one thing I want to say, which is very clear, and like everybody knows, I am not against anybody making money. But we cannot allow people to make money while others are dying. Nigeria, we don't believe that anything can happen. Nobody takes government serious. But in our own case, they have no choice, but they will take us serious. I will not relent in this fight. And all of you should hire bulldozers or whatever. All those areas, whether they are in the bush, they are in the creek, clear that place. Government will give you some money. You go and hire bulldozers and if you ask, excavate or whatever, go and clear it so they know that we are serious. Those of you who are from the Refineries area, I don't want to hear it is creek. That's what they call swamp boogie, is it not? Carry the swamp boogie, and I must see it. Carry the swamp boogie, go and clear all those areas. And CP, give them security to do this work, not giving them 2 policemen, no. And you know that since your men are involved, there's always the tendency to sabotage because most people are not happy now. But Nigerians are happy. Any policeman you know, or civil defense you know, or soldier you know, that are directly involved, put their names there. First of all, I'm going to Abuja to see the IG. I will report to the IG. I will report to the CG directly by myself. With the report, I will write. And if there's any soldier involved, I will report to the Chief of Army Staff. I will not relent in this fight. Enough is enough. We cannot allow the environment to go back. We can't. We must, having done the roads, having cleared the street, we must continue to keep it clean.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.